Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be on our trip to escape the city of San Jose. For this trip, we rented Airbnb at the Saratoga Park. It's very cute. Our surrounding has a lot of decorations. Our host prepared us a lot of stuff, like everything is ready for barbecue, to cook and do outdoor going stuff. But then it's raining, so we are sadly unable to do it. But here is the cabin that we really love. It's very small and cozy, but then it's very pretty.
Oh, the water's so cold. Is that Asian one? Yeah. Are you rewatching it? Yeah, I just realized how dirty this stuff is. I wish I had that book. I was just gonna say that from mom. Like just throw everything like the one with the mesh and this other thing.
While each of us has some tasks to do, there's one girl here standing, scratching her head, her body, her back, trying to scratch her head out to think of what that she can help us with, and she found nothing. She's just wiping the table, knocking on the wood, or like trying to do piano. I don't know.
Let's go. She don't allow me to use it. I asked you nicely, can you not?
You compromised.
Well, she did not compromise with me. I asked.
No, I didn't turn on the heater. But I
Just use a lot of blanket.
yeah,
That's what she said. She's bringing her blanket.
Oh, so we compromise?
She compromised for you.
I compromised for you.
Compromised.
Don't be mean to me. I'm being freezing.
I didn't say anything. You offered that yourself.
People compromise with what not what compromise.
Yeah.
They say yes.
Oh, just thinking of becoming a pole dancer.
What? I said I
Hey
asked
guys,
nicely.
look, there's we have a pole dancer.
Oh my god.
A pole and not a monkey.
You know, earlier I was like, Baba, you gotta use that. Is it good?
Sour. Sour. No, just it with this one.
Mei-Ling, should I just mix the soju
Muối
now?
tây ninh.
I can smell the good now. It's been a while since this mainstream.
Usually I'm so busy and like everything is rush.
Right?
Strawberry. Can we use something like this? So cute.
Ooh, we can put strawberry in here, huh?
Yeah, it looks so cute. Let me wash it. But it's so little.
Should I just like clean all the strawberries? I should just clean all the strawberries.
Yeah. And then
Can
put
you
it.
grab me the other box?
There's no question.
You were here.
Sour.
Put it in here.
Bruh. Startling events may occur as a result. Bruh. No, I just study. No, I don't have my backpack.
Wait, Val, we don't need this. Huh? We don't
that?
What if you need it? Just
Your
put it
pencil.
around. It's wet though.
I'm so. This is the only tree I got. Parking lot. Malky!
What?
Your camera is like right there. You want to dip it in the sauce? And you're taking a picture of my ugly finger?
Yeah. Yeah. And that tự kỷ.
Ali.
What a bit. You want Yakult too?
Your coat last way how to make we went. I'm gonna I know, right? The world is still rolling. Just stick one for myself. This is kind of far away. You're not gonna. It's a potato. It's like a potato. Sweet potato. It tastes like a sweet potato. That's nice. I know, right? So many ways. In so many ways. The meat, I'm just gonna turn off the fire and let it warm in there. Is it cooked? It's cooked, but it's just a little bit more slowly. Okay. Yum. But it can warm in there. You guys want more? You guys want butter for the?
Whoa, the corn's dehydrated too.
What do you mean?
Oh, never mind. It's just bread.
Like, damn, I'm like, huh? To where? Malky, you know what you look like? You look like those photographer in Asia. Like this. Hold on, let me just talk. Oh, it's burned?
That's what I said.
It was too close to the bottom. Yeah.
Cats.
What are you trying to say?
The studio?
It's very fantasy, so it's probably like. What is the main job of the host? It is just drawing a card. Oh, she has to decide.
Yeah, I have to decide which one is. For example, I'm each one of them.
Yeah. I got 99 problems, but a loser like you ain't one. And another one is I got 99 problems, but my gay best friend ain't one. And then another one is okay, this one.
Okay.
Okay. Get your butt away. Okay, and then the next one is I got 99 problems, but glory holes ain't one. Glory holes. See, I don't know. My gay's best friend. Give that mine. Okay. Meaning. We're just recyclists. Welcome to Chili's. Would you like to start off the night with?
I don't even know that one.
Just laughing, babe. Can you read it up? Yeah, hurry up. Let's save that one last. Hey guys, welcome to Chili's. Would you like to start off the night right with COVID-19? Would you guys like to start off the night with Kamala Harris? Here comes the one, okay? I'm laughing so hard.
I know, I was gonna put on something else. But
Would you like to start off the night right with? Warn me, it's Chili's.
oh, dang.
This one was. Whoever put that down. What the heck?
What's that?
You know, that's why, like, when I picked it, I'm like, what the fuck? That's her, I think.
So it's her turn.
Yeah, she has off the. What made my first kiss so awkward?
I'm pretty sure that you
It is right there in front of you. Yeah, see what I mean?
But then no one offered.
Okay, you know, you were the one who found that yesterday. I'll just wash it up. It's the only except that's really good coffee then.
I know. But originally beer coffee, they don't make it that sweet anymore.
Just gets nice too. I'll have the chocolate with very so.
감사합니다, mama.
Girl, I spill it, I get burned.
But you spill it, you burn two of us. Good job! You need encouragement for the kids, you
I'm
know?
gonna open the door because
A good mama needs to be good at encouraging the kids too. Can you sing another song?
well, I only want to sing the song.
Can you sing another
What song do you
Then
want me to
don't sing at all.
Sing another song.
Okay, you can add the.
She's so happy.
Ali will probably only trust either me or Hua cooks it for her.
What?
I said you'll probably only trust me or me or Hua cooking it.
Why? What's wrong with me cooking? Why are you laughing? What's wrong with me cooking?
I wonder why.
I wonder why.
You're afraid of getting H. pylori?
I'm just afraid of getting.
Double it up?
Can you get another one so I can put the
I'll put some in.
I think we should double it up.
不要放太多。
不然不会泡。
Oh, I thought it's no more.
There's a whole stack over there.
Because it's kind of like wobbly. Very wobbly.
Oh my gosh.
That's okay. Why don't you try some of the cookie?
What do you want? Zucchini? I mean, enoki?
Enoki,
Yes.
please.
Please.
Arigato.
Noodle. I don't want to put new one, but I don't want to make this quick. Soggy.
Soggy noodle.
Soggy noodle. No. I watched an anime. It's so cute.
What anime?
It's about a girl who cannot hear.
Ah, a sign of affection. A sign of affection.
Is it because the guy is
The guy is
hair?
silver hair.
Yeah!
I watched the latest episode last night. I was
Corn cheese over here, okay?
Is that the episode where they kiss?
yeah. Where he was like when the girl thought like he wanted
It's
a hug,
hugging.
but then like when she was like opened her arms,
And then
he
he's
like
like-
went for her lips, and I'm just like.
It's up there. And I'm like, dang, I wanted more.
And then he finally introduced her as his girlfriend
To the
his brother.
best friend, like the middle
Is it-
school friend.
Oh, is it a friend or
It's a
his
friend,
brother?
it's a boy.
Oh, I don't know.
The one who dyed his hair for him. The hairstylist. And I'm like, but you know what? In real life, it can be a joke. He can be a playboy in real life. Because he's like still weird. Oh, whole people can.
But he's good looking.
Yeah. Anime? Yeah. Stay tuned. It's been a while since I watched this kind of
Anima?
anime. It's cute. Really? Anima.
Anima? I don't think you'd want to know what anima is.
What's that?
Oh, we're eating. I don't want to say.
Oh, never mind.
Why you ask? You should at least say you don't want to know. You don't want to know.
I'm a curious person. Why don't you?
I know, right?
I'm super
Curiosity
curious.
kills.
Yeah. Curiosity kills.
Oh, I'm a cat, so I'm still curious. No matter what.
That's why you get killed.
9 lines will not be enough for you, Miss Babson.
Hold on. We haven't put it in yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
We're not going to put anything. Finish your food yet.
You're so bitchy. Eat your vegetable, your bowl. Look at your bowl.
Look at your bowl.
Fine.
Oh my
It's not like I finished all my meat and left over the.
Really?
I still have meat, man.
Broccoli.
All I've been seeing her eating is udon and meat.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one. I like mushroom.
Can you throw some spinach in?
Eat more mushroom than vegetable.
I have garlic meat on that.
I know. I saw.
I like garlic. I'm talking to my knee.
Feeling my irritation.
What did you say?
I just ate a garlic and it blew up. Perfect date night.
I'll smack my man if he do that to me.
Is there?
Belky.
Why? Why you keep talking like that?
You're so funny.
Why?
Belky should have been a Catholic. Yo. Give it to my leg too.
Okay.
What was that?
So she can have that 40 days of Lent.
What is that?
Lent.
What's
So
that?
you can be
You have
holy
to
for
give up
40
something
days.
for 40 days.
Give up your meat and your milk tea.
For 40 days. Down.
Purple.
Purple. That's a sin. Keep this card if you have ever gone skinny dipping. What is
What's
skinny,
skinny
dipping?
dipping?
Going
What are you?
swimming naked.
Oh no.
Let's go.
Oh wait,
Is
when
there
I'm
a
small, when I'm baby.
Oh my God, I haven't. Your mom doesn't have money to buy you a swimsuit. Keep that,
No,
please.
In Vietnam, when you're young, you don't even wear anything, just do.
True that, true that.
Right? It's true though.
My mom is my preservative.
She at least buy me those like, you know.
Me too.
Purple again.
Yellow.
Why?
Boys love
Boy brands.
Boy,
Okay, so they already put
Can I call it
Backstreet Boys.
Oh, boy
Oh,
bands.
bands.
BTS.
One Direction. Westlife.
EXO?
Oh, you going
And
that
black.
way?
And black.
80s. NCT.
Shiny.
You said shiny, right?
Yeah.
What is it? TVXQ.
Oh,
that one.
yeah.
group?
5 seconds of summer.
Big Bang.
Five Guys? No, no.
Five Guys is a
Yeah, Five Guys.
Super Junior.
Oh shit.
Fuck. I don't know anything else. What else is there?
Pretty.
Boy bands.
You probably might just become me and you.
I know.
Or Asian too. They won't know anything.
I give up.
NSYNC.
Who that?
TNT.
Justin Timberlake.
Shiny.
He was in
Someone
a
already said
band?
that.
Oh yeah.
You said that yourself. Shiny.
No, I didn't.
You did.
Did I say
You
You
said
did,
shiny
yeah.
yourself.
You did.
Newest.
Say that again.
Newest.
What's that?
That's a boy band. Newest.
Korean.
Yeah, Korean band.
Oh, I know. I know what it's
yeah.
about. Okay.
Stray Kids.
And hyphen.
I don't know anymore.
Five Marons, right?
Maroon 5.
Maroon 5.
It makes
Fuck. I think I'm done for. Yeah, I'm done. I don't think I know anyone.
You don't want to try your 5 seconds more?
She's done.
Oh, Jackson 5. Jackson 5.
17.
Ah, shit.
Fuck, I forgot about 17.
NCT.
I got that.
Oh, shit.
That was
I
my
don't know.
first
I
one.
don't know anymore.
I forgot all of them.
Oh, I got one. Astro.
FT Island. CN Blue.
2 p.m.
Then you win, bitch. What's the point?
I know, right?
2 p.m.
2 p.m. 2 a.m.
2 p.m. 2 a.m. Yeah.
2 a.m. is the older one.
Yeah.
And then comes 2 p.m.
Dang,
That's all I know.
forgot.
I almost forgot
I
about
was
Chinese group.
I was gonna start hitting the Chinese
I'm
girl.
trying to do that too.
I would have lost long
Oh, I'll
ago.
be like, what the fuck?
There's one Filipino group that I know.
Which one?
SB19.
I can do the bit.
Oh, that one.
Maybe there's only like a few.
Yeah.
Wait, why you skip me?
Oh, sorry. Oh, I
Do it
thought
again
you
then.
drew that card.
Yeah.
Oh,
you-
she
I
drew
did.
that card.
Yeah,
I don't
you.
Teal. I kind of like this card in a way.
It depends on the topic. Give
Girl
this
groups
card-
next.
Fuck.
Oh, I go.
Girl group
I'm
we can
good.
go.
I'm very good.
Oh, I can.
Okay.
Give this card to whoever's the most likely to hook up with the teacher.
Oh shit!
No.
Nar.
Who's the most likely?
Who's the
It will
mo-
not be us, but who's the most likely?
likely? Like who is most likely becomes the teacher's pet?
Basically, who's likely to be? Oh. Me?
Well, you're most likely to become the teacher's pet. You get on the good side easier than any of us.
But like, not a whore, right?
You never know.
Shit. Sometimes I feel like Baki would.
What the fuck?
Just because you give that like not innocent but not so innocent type of.
But hook up?
Hook up?
Hook up with a teacher?
No, a guy reaching out to her, she's running away. Don't look at me. I don't know what you're doing.
Let's do
But
it.
you're more of a teacher's pet.
Okay, who do you think?
Who do you think?
Can-
Or yourself?
You're your teacher.
Like I gotta be really hot.
You know where does she sit? She sits all the way at the end.
I know. I'm not the one who pays attention in class.
Me go.
I'm on my phone the whole time.
Yeah.
One of you too. You know.
I don't know if it's a good thing. Maybe a teacher's pet, not a hookup.
You never know. Who knows? You might marry your own teacher.
That is so disgusting.
Disgusting.
Wow,
Well, you can't wait till you graduate.
You know, high school teachers that we've had.
I know.
Oh my god.
God. Deal.
Deal.
Give this card to whoever is most likely to forget their mom's birthday. Oh.
Me.
I forget my mom's birthday is April 1st.
Oh, my mom
April
is
1st.
April 3rd.
My mother's is October 7th.
You know how I can
When is your mom's birthday?
It's November.
November when?
That's you.
She looked at me like, it's November. Don't act like I don't know.
And then suddenly, it's November, right? Just give me a minute. That was an easy one. She looks like a caterpillar. Okay, just take a picture with my phone.
Bucky, where's your head?
It doesn't say that I have to show my head.
Yes, show your head. We don't know it's you.
I don't care.
Then you missed the point. You can't get the card.
Baba, turn around.
Bucky, say cheers. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wait, don't sit like you were so pretty.
You're the Buddha this time.
I have a stomachache. Are you guys done?
Yeah.
You look like Michelin.
For the win, Michelin. My stomach hurts.
I remember which one is ours. That's Hawes. I'll take yours. Put it back up there.
She's so big. What was that throw? My stomach. Oh, I gotta get abs by the end of the trip.
Okay, you got 3 more to go.
That's Ali's.
That's Moaz.
Put it on the bed. Put it back where you got it from.
Gimme. She doesn't even want to face us.
Okay, can you put mine back on the chair, please?
You know, she could have taken all of it out.
I don't know why she took it all at once.
Maki, how do you feel?
At this point, I'm done.
Oh my god. You know what's the funniest? She's like bound. You guys get making me laugh.
You want to see yourself?